When watching videos on YouTube or Instagram these days, you can often see all kinds of funny fan edits videos. And it seems like a very good idea to use a picture of your favorite idols to create a video and express your support, like this. Well, if you want to know how to do it, you gotta check out this tutorial. Free download VideoProc Vlogger through the link we put in the description box down below. Launch your software. Create a new project. Prepare your favorite idol pictures. Here I have the images of BTS. And then we select the music. Drag them together into the software. Next, click here. Choose the video parameters based on the platform you are going to upload to. For example, I want to upload to Instagram, so I'm gonna do this one. Once all this is set, we first drag the song into the audio track and use the software to automatically detect the beat. Find the audio icon in the toolbar, click on it. In the audio editor, click on Analyzer. Then, select the audio beat analyzer. Check the Show Highlights only. Then click on Analyze. You will see these red highlights generated, which represents the position of the beats. That's pretty convenient, right? Then find Add Marker. Click it. Then click Apply. Now we go to a main interface, and we can see all the markers clearly. As the interval between each marker lasts around 2 seconds, we can then set the default duration of each image to make the subsequent editing easier and faster. Click VideoProc in the top left corner. Find Settings. In the drop-down menu, find the photo duration parameters. Select 2 seconds. Then, go back to the interface and drag the picture together into the video track. Adjust the order of the pictures. Fine-tune the duration of the pictures based on your preference. Moreover, when you need to resize a picture like this, you can click on the Show or Hide Layout rectangle at the bottom of the preview window and drag the mouse directly to adjust. Now we're done with the basic editing. After finishing the basic editing, go to the transitions icon on the top left. Click it. Choose some light transition effects from the preset library and apply them between the image. For example, select the glitch displacement, drag it here, and drag the mouse to adjust duration. Let's see the effect. Does the switch here become more interesting? Another example here is I want to create a stronger dynamic transition in these two positions. Thus, I'm going to use the mosaic preset. Drag it to the timeline separately. And then adjust duration. Let's see the effect. Following this practice, we can continue to add transitions, but don't add them too frequently, since only the transitions with moderate amount can make the video better and more impressive. Go to Effects in the top left corner to add more definition to the video. For example, drag a rag effect to the effect track. Adjust duration to make the image more vivid. Then, add an Auto TV 2 effect to the position to make the picture fit in the rhythm of the music better. We can also add a similar effect to the second half of the video. And now we're done with all the edits. Alright, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!